used to dream in silence, now I dream on screen. Turn my little hobby to a lifelong scene. Hit that record, let my passion flow. From 0 views to a viral glow. Woke up with an edit in my mind. Cut the noise, let the vision shine. I'm not chasing fame or gold above. I'm here cause YouTube is my love. YouTube is my love, my everyday light. Streaming my heart in the middle of life. From gaming highs to DIY stuff. Laughs and lessons, I can't get enough. No need for fortune, no need to bluff. I'm here to say it loud, YouTube is my love. Comments glowing like a midnight star. Strangers feel close no matter how far. Tutorials, pranks, or a makeup blend. Every video feels like a brand new friend. Jump cuts, B-rolls, beat drops too. Every second feels fresh and true. This isn't just a job I'm proud of, it's in my soul. YouTube is my love. YouTube is my love, my love. Comments glowing like a midnight star. Strangers feel close no matter how far. Tutorials, pranks, or a makeup blend. Every video feels like a brand new friend. Jump cuts, B-rolls, beat drops too. Every second feels fresh and true. This isn't just a job I'm proud of, it's in my soul. YouTube is my love. My spark, my fire. When I create, I rise up higher. Story by story, I build my way. In this world where I get to say what I feel, what I dream of, yeah, I mean it. YouTube is my love. Let them scroll, let the haters talk. I'll keep filming every walk, cause this red play button glowing above is more than just tech, it's where I find love. Starting small with the phone and a beat now. Dancing in my own front seat. Every sub, every bell I ring tells me I was born to sing. So here I go, another upload. This is my path, my chosen road. Not for clout or push and shove, I'm just here because YouTube is my love. YouTube is my love, my voice, my place. I found my heart in this digital space. With every frame I rise above. This isn't luck, YouTube is my love. So hit that like, come rise above. Say it with me, YouTube is my love. Up with vision, layers in my mind. Canvas wide open, gotta realign. I got my style as my flow and a million hues. Control Z when I'm feeling confused. In Photoshop I fix the light. Smooth that skin, make it right. Clip and masks and smart effects. This design's got no